Hi everybody, I'm Jerry, and I'm pretty excited because I was just sent this. This is a 110-inch sofa in a box. Actually came in 2 boxes, came packaged extremely well, and I'm absolutely loving doing this boneless style furniture. This is kind of all the rage when people are ordering this stuff online, like bed in a box. Now they've got the sofas in the box. This company does a fantastic job with all their packaging, providing you with an ability to use a little cutter here to slice this open. Loving the fact that they put that on here with the cardboard in the back. Again, you still got to be careful, but when you slice that open and unfurl the outside plastic, you get what looks to be a sofa in a box in this thing. I mean, these are so cool. This is a lighter color here with some chenille fabric on this. I'm going to slice this open so you can kind of see. This is always so satisfying to me to be able to watch how this works, because using this cutter here, I mean, it's just nuts. This is an entire sofa. And this is a sectional sofa, and there's 2 pieces. Fabric is already extremely soft, loving it. This is going to take approximately, I don't know, 48 to 72 hours to fully cure. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox both of these, put them together, and then show you all what it looks like right out of the box. Already you can kind of see this starting to take shape, if you will. It's 110 inches long, really nice depth. It comes with these pillows. They look really flat right now, but much like the rest of the sofa, these will fluff up over the next 48 to 72 hours. You do get the back pillows, and this is a modular design, so these can come apart, but you get a little side pillow here, and you also get a couple of these little accent pillows that can kind of go in there as well. Let's go ahead and give this the full 48 to 72 hours, let it plump up, and we'll show you the finished product. So here we have it. It's been 72 hours, and this is actually 110 inches. This is fluffed up really nice, and each one of these cushions on here has shredded memory foam with inside these, which is going to make these just fluff up even more. Each one of them does have a really nice zipper that you can take off if you needed to wash any of that, which is great. Seating height of almost 18 inches, so it's got a nice high seating height, and your seating depth is about 20 inches, so that's really nice. It gives someone with longer legs the ability to have some thigh support, which is really nice with that. There are some springs that are embedded in this as well, so that's going to help retain some of that as well. Now, the nice part about this being modular is the fact that, one, they can come apart, so if you needed to have separate seating, you can do that. And you also have multiple seating arrangements, so even if you didn't like a single sofa and wanted to have it in a corner, you can actually bring this piece around like this and sit this over here, and now you've got a corner sofa that you can put in the corner of a room with some open seating, rearrange the pillows, and make a really nice comfortable area there. It also has this anti-slip bottom on here that has this pilling underneath here, this little rubber beads that will keep that from sliding around on you. So all in all, a very versatile sofa that's very comfortable and should work in pretty much any space.